Hi, I'm Mrs. Danio, and I am here to give you a tutorial on Mrs. Danio's class website and how to use that for the upcoming year 2020-21. You can see that we would start off with our home page. We have all grades, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, a submit work button, resources, our work, and our more button shows science fair projects and parent resources at this point. Let's go ahead and start with the home page, which is what we are on. The home page has important information. Here you can see it's usually dated. This is dated July 8th, 2020. It has information for you about the upcoming school year. Occasionally, you'll see a video clip that I'd like you to watch. Just press the start button and you can go ahead and take a look at what
Hi everyone.
I have to say.
Welcome.
Here is some information from May 15th, 2020 that's on the home page. You can see some information. I typically tend to talk to the students instead of the parents because it is for them. We used it when we were in session in the last semester. Let's go ahead and go on to the all grades page next. As I click onto all grades, this is for all grades. Typically, you're going to find things that are important for the assignments for all of the grades. Everyone is expected to do those. Now, this is dated May 18th through the 22nd, so this is when we were submitting assignments through the Submit Work tab. That won't be the case as we move forward into the school year. You will see the assignments for the week up, or most of them in case your student is absent, with information about what to do. You can go ahead and peruse some of this. Typically, you'll see it looking like this week we're going to be learning about interjections, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They might click on something and pull something up to do in a particular fashion. They might have a video to watch or something of that nature. As we move up to grades 3, grade 4, and grade 5, those are specific to that grade. So if your child is absent, you're first going to, of course, look on the home page. Then you're going to look on the all grades page to see what the assignments are for all the grades, and you're going to look on your child's individual grade level. Let's go ahead and take a look at grade 3 for this demonstration. So for this particular week, I have third grade math work for the week of May 11th through May 17th. It is a brief explanation of what should be happening, what they have to do. Here's a video that they're going to be watching.
All those operations.
Just a brief preview of what we would see in a particular graded page. As we move back up, fourth and fifth grade would be similar. The submit work page is simply instructions on how to submit assignments. This is only going to be the case if you need to go and do it when we are closed. Please do not submit assignments if your student is absent. Please wait until you return to schools to submit those assignments. Again, the submit work tab is only for if we happen to be closed. The resources tabs has resources for the students. There is another section in our more tab that we'll have for parents resources, and we'll talk about those in just a few minutes. But the resources section is simply for the students. You can see in the resource section, I have writing prompt calendars. When you click on those, let's get to August here. And you can see an example of some of the writing prompts that they're going to be writing on. We use the writing prompts every single day in school, so they'll go ahead and have those assignments available. You can get them started on writing those if your student is absent, so you know exactly what to do. As we scroll further down the page, there's a list of other resources that are available for your student. Our next tab, Our Work, is things that the students have created and have asked to put up on the website. You've sent something. Sometimes we put different pictures or whatever the case may be. You'll have to sign a release form so that I can put it on the website. Our More button has various things. The Science Fair project page is showing all the different science fair projects that are up. And you can kind of see some of them. Science fair and some different ones that students have done, etc., etc. As we move out of that, the parent resource page is typically for parents. As you can see on the parent resource page, I have a few things on here of the school calendar. You simply click on it, click for grading periods, important dates, and here's a click for a supply list. I list things here that are important for you to see. I hope you've enjoyed getting to know Mrs. Danio's class website. We'll be referring to it often. I'm looking forward to a fabulous year.